everybody, hands up, hath upar, everybody together. While you hold that, keep doing that as well. Also, ladies and gentlemen, you can also check out our website www.ivashopee.com. Don't forget to look on to that website. And those of you who are asking MSME cluster formation courses and the classes right there, it's all mentioned there. So you all can look up to it. If you want to take a quick photograph of it, you can do that as well. That's the Hero team coming all the way to Bengaluru. City 2026 is going to run this trip. Come on, let's have a clap together. Let's celebrate this moment. Hero City, congratulations. Hero, can you all make some noise together? That's lovely. Is happening, so give your best. Walk.